I'm honestly just not very good at saying no. I know he's abusive, but I allow it. I never stand up for myself. Sometimes he gets like that because I trigger him. He's told me that I remind him of his mother. If I was better at setting boundaries, he wouldn't be like this. Victims of domestic violence often blame themselves for their own abuse. Here's 4 common reasons why. Number 1, the victim believes their partner. Abusers fail to take responsibility and then they blame the victim. Number 2, abusers seem nice and normal to other people. This causes victims to blame themselves. Number 3, when victims do tell someone, more often than not, they're not believed or people downplay the situation. This reinforces their existing belief that they're to blame. And number 4, there have been times that the victim has acted out against the abuser. Abusers use victims' reactions to the abuse against them. Can you relate to blaming yourself?